have ongoing attack from Iran. You see the missiles are falling, or this is maybe the AA anti-aircraft missiles, and so-called. You see them are up here, people. You see this is the missile. This is live Jerusalem. You see the time. You see what's happening in the sky. What's going on? But this is an airplane. It cannot be an airplane going like that. This is an or a Iran missile and or trying to take it down. So they shoot another missile. This is all happening in Jerusalem, the holy city of Jerusalem. I don't know if you can see it other places. We have Jerusalem webcam. Let's see if we have the full screen. Let's see if we have it here, full screen. Iran just attacked. Let's see here if we have Jerusalem webcam. Is this Jerusalem webcam? I believe. Let's hope it's working. We don't see it. This is actually Tel Aviv. This is why I like Jerusalem webcam. You cannot see it here either because they are showing the wall. You see nobody's there. Everybody is in shelter. Mm, This one, this one the same. This one. Yo, no, we don't have it. So let's go back. Let's go back to this one. See if there's anything happening. Moved a little bit. Is it moving? Is it not moving? I don't know. This is moving otherwise. This one, the whitish, I believe it's moving. Must be. Cannot be anything else. Because suppose this is a trace from the airplane or from the missile. Supposedly was a Israeli missile trying to take out an Iranian missile. With this something is still hanging in the air. This thing we're gonna watch it. This thing cannot be anything else. What is this? Cannot be something else like a cloud. It has to be related to this activity. That's what I'm saying, people. It is hard to see if it's moving or not. It can be a drone. You know, some drones they don't move. It cannot be a cloud. That's for sure. So we have two webcams showing same stuff, and this stuff is seen here. You see how it is looking like totally different. See the clock, the watch is the time is there. So how can it be not moving? See, These traces, they stay in the air. They stay in the air. This one over. Wow, this was late. So it is not dark yet. Or is it? It's not dark yet. So that was all one. From yesterday, let's see this one. A lot of coverage. Now we cannot see much in this one. We can use this one. Maybe this one. No, this is Jerusalem. Not Jerusalem, sorry. This is Tel Aviv. In Ramat Khan. Ramp off. This one maybe. Let's see this one. Same with this Jerusalem. WW3. ECG. So advertisement first. So this is Jerusalem here. See? Live. This is Jerusalem. This is live. See if we have any more. So what's Steve saying? Let's see here. So we have this one. Still in the air. It's very strange because otherwise, if it's windy, it's windy. It's supposed to be some wind will take it away. I don't know what this stuff actually. I don't know. You see how it's doing? This one. And you have this one here. Strange anyway. Let's see. This one. This one here. It's very strange actually. This webcam is showing Israel and see it's still light on. This one is showing this guy. This one is good actually. It's, see it's coming night. And we have also here. We have this one. So this movie is good. Countdown to Look Glass. Please watch it. You need to connect. A lot of events that's happening now happen. Talk about the limits. Countdown to Look Glass. It is almost the same. The same events they predicted. They are talking about it. Also, we have this one. Let's see if we can get this one here. like I like this video because it is connected to the what's going on. So we have spaceship of Ano as well. We're gonna show it. So this is the prophecy. It's called prophecy when Israel hits Iran in the nuclear facilities. This is what happened. It's talking about prophecy that was posted 1 year ago. It is Orthodox Ethos, the name of the channel. It's about when Israel hits nuclear facilities in Iran, of course. This was posted 2024, so this was before it happened. So we have earthquakes here in Peru, 5.6. We have, let's see where it's hitting, earthquakes, and you see the activity. And we have a lot of fours. Each hour we have a 4 point. We look here to this. This is Washington, and we have 2.8, 2.7, 2.8. This is here a lot of activity. This is western coast of USA, near Canada, near Vancouver. You see all this activity here, and here we have stuff here also. 4.1. Also, this is 2 days ago. Yesterday, sorry. So we have a big one here. 3.6 activity here down. We have here also activity near Yellowstone. So you see Yellowstone here. And we had this one, Biggie, today. 3.2. Not today, yesterday, sorry. Or is it today? Yesterday, sorry. 3.2. And here we have it as well. Today we had a 5 South Pacific Ocean. This one here. And biggie one here, big one. This is Peru. No, this is not Peru. This one here was 5. And this one is the same. It's 5. See here we're watching destruction in Israel. Any live stream. So this is the prophecy I was talking about Nostradamus. So according to Nostradamus, This is pre-copy. They have removed the link. The war will initially begin between the two world superpowers and the last period 24 years. Let's see if we can find this one. So let's see here, Mr. Damos. So here we have it. So this is the one. So you go. So this is Mr. Damos prediction: Donald Trump assassination. Nostradamus. This is about 2019, but it's actually happening now. So, according to the psychics expert Ron Psychics, Nostradamus foresaw assassination attempt on Mr. Trump, armed conflict in the Middle East, and renewed relation with his Russian counterpart between 2019 and 2020. About President Trump. I feel Trump will have a second term, but Nostradamus predicted as an assassination attempt will be in the second term. Nostradamus also predicted war in the Middle East. So let's go back. So here we have it. So this is what I wrote. Between two powers will last 27 years, bloodshed with the appearance of the comet in the sky, nuclear war, disasters, and conflict with the giant planet approaches Earth. Gulf states on fire, petrol and oil gas states in the Middle East will be set on fire. They removed the link, people. You see? They just removed the link. Because they are implementing the agenda. Of course they are. They are implementing the agenda. And here when I wrote that one I wrote like this one. Here I put it. And then you cannot find anything related. Just write like this. Nostradamus. See, Nostradamus. That's the PDF. Wow, 31 pages. Armageddon. So we are reading, it's talking about Antichrist. Islam says extraordinary weather conditions, including floods, famine, and hail larger than eggs, will accompany increase in earthquake frequency predicted to begin in 1980s. West Coast of USA, site of major quake. You see people so powerful that the shock will be recorded around the world. I'm talking about Yellowstone most probably. And reversal of nations and mighty earthquakes and movement of the globe, and to be such that one will think the earth has lost its natural plunge into the abyss of possibility. Huge interrupt. Earth shaking will cause the towers around New York City to shake. Earthquake in capital city Mexico City or Tehran, for example, would not only have the potential to kill a million or more people but jeopardize the nation's entire economy. Single earthquake. Anyways, this is too much to read here, but it was not there. Anyways, let's go back. What's the one? So, what is the quarantine that Nostradamus wrote about World War III? However, many believe this is World War III, where fields of blood in the sky could only mean a nuclear war. Antichrist. This one maybe. The death of the world leader will lead to coincide with the appearance of the comet, the horrors of war, bloodshed, the powerful country. The death of the world leader, this is the Pope. This is the Pope, people, when he died. This is too much to read. Too much. So we're gonna find it. Neither Gaddafi or Ayatollah Khomeini are the affairs that will contribute to the situation of region to aid his rise to power. The Antichrist will be in action near the Mediterranean Sea, the Red Sea, and the Arabian Sea. He will gain immense worldwide power. Thursday will be important day for him. He will take it as his day worship. He will be the East because he will control both China and Russia and the entire Asian continent under his control for his first time in the world history. Wow. The assassination. This is the assassination of the Pope. This assassination will lead to social unrest and rioting in Rome. The Rexdrop will not last long. In the late spring, was assassinated in spring, or he died. Yeah, they say. But, according to Nostradamus, he was assassinated. The assassination allowed the Antichrist to install his tool into the office. The Rhine is an honor for the founder of the church. The Antichrist will take over Iran by using a human decoy to trick the Ayatollah in power. This will involve yes men and sympathisants of the Ayatollah court. The Antichrist will drive away internal supporters of the Ayatollah by starting a civil war. Then he will put forth a man as a leader, a man for Iranian loyal to and concentrate their hate on the man will be assassinated while Iran is being taken over and the opponent think they have overthrown all by assassinating him, but they will find out that they were merely a decoy and that playing the plans and understand. Yeah. Also, the world leader will coincide with the appearance of the comet. You know that Nibiru is a comet. Comet star, it is called. The comet will be clearly visible where the leader dies in Italy. The country is the Middle East. And Crazy leader launches atom bomb on Mediterranean and Europe. So, so let's go back here. It's too much. Mm, So, yeah, I don't know why they took it out, but here you have it. They took it out already today. Here it is. took it down. No, here we have it. Nostradamus prediction 2018 considered the most famous prophet of all time. Michel de Nostradamus, who Latinized Nostradamus. According to Nostradamus, the war will initially begin between the two world leaders, superpowers, and last 27 years. The moment of the start of the violence will coincide with the appearance of the massive comet in the sky. Nuclear attacks and natural disaster will hit our planet when a giant planet, Nibiru, Nibiru, will approach the Earth. This is where we at. This is where we at. This is where Periscope Nostradamus. So let's go back here. What happens when we're talking? Let's see. Wow, so light. So light. So what did they do? So this Middle East life, real. Here is anything happen. We're gonna see what's the spaceship of King Anu, then we're gonna finish. Mhm. So yeah, let's watch spaceship King Anu. Here we have it, people. Just 1 minute, please. So here we have it. This is 12 June this month. You see it here up. I made big for you. Here you see it. Spaceship of King Anu. You see it, people? And we have another one here. And here it goes. And then we have 13 in June. Here it is. I put this one. And there we have it. So this guy is the one who assassinated this senator. These two senators and his wife were killed. This is the guy. You see something with his eye. I don't know. Feels like painted, not real. Somebody like painted. Also, the ear is strange. The color does not fit with the skin. You see Jerusalem, also a lot of fire coming up. Smoke, it's more like smoke. So they started actually when they were praying. This is 13 June. Still, the war didn't break out. So they were praying, and smoke started coming from Jerusalem. They don't tell you this on MSN. They keep the news very tight. Also, this one, Jerusalem. You see what's going on, people? Smoke rising up. Here, smoke rising up near the mosque. in Jerusalem. You see, it's going up, straight up. I don't know. It feels like the earth is burning in Jerusalem from beneath. You see here, people. Very strange indeed. This is Jerusalem. The smoke is coming up everywhere. Maybe it is some kind of sharpener. Something fell from the bombs, from their missiles, and they start fire. Small fire. But this is the heat. You see behind the mosque. This is probably Iranian missile. This is President Trump. They asked him what we're gonna do with Iran. They say you'll have to see. This is Trump, President Trump. The shadow of the tree is falling on his face, but his nose is white. Very strange. The face is very strange, and this is his wife Melania behind him. But the face of Trump is very strange. This is the X Twitter. This is the sun, people. Sun usually sets here. This is the west, but the sun went on up. You see, this is the sun one going up. So and continuing there, and even there, the sun here. This is the reflection. So this is a guy who assassinated Vance Walter. This is this guy. You see, the eye was like somebody has drawn the eye on the face. This is the AI picture, not me. This is the guy who killed the senator. I don't know if they got him or he's free. He's still hiding. This is today, people, 16. You see here? Spaceship Piano. This is the one here, the picture. And this is here. And this is. So we have 8 Israelis killed today. 8. And Spaceship Piano here. This picture. But I want to show it because here you see the clouds. Very strange stuff. This is what I was watching in the beginning. This stuff in the air. So yeah, people, this is let's read the news. Israeli 8 Israelis killed today in Iranian missile attack. Eight Israeli killed in Iran. See here, Iranian missile attack in Israel killed 8. Warn more Tehran resident. Israel warns Tehran resident to evacuate before strikes. This is 2 hours ago. You see the destruction. Iranian strike kills at least 8 in Israel as conflict enters fourth day. So Israel's strike overnight killed at least 8. On Monday, missile hit resident block in central city of Patah Tikva in Haifa, 3 in Haifa, the local authorities. Nearly 100 injured. The fighting was began on Friday the 13th. You see, Friday the 13th, always something happened. At least 21 people have been killed in Iran retaliatory barrage since Friday. This is the pictures, people. You see the pictures? The destruction. You see? They are hitting home on Israel. But Iran also is being bombed. He's a building. It's looking like Gaza. And yeah, that's all people. Maybe I'll make another one later on. Let's see.